Uh, so how much I have covered, like placing door windows, placing all the walls, and creating floor,
Yes, sir, you've covered, sir.
and placing the ceiling. Also, I have covered, right?
Ceiling also, yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. And also, we have learned about these curtain grids and mullions while placing the curtain walls.
Yes, sir.
Now, I will show you that how we can create stairs and this ramp and place railings. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so let me. Uh, Before creating your stairs and all, I hope you already have created all these levels and all, and your all the other building elements
Yes, sir.
are
Yes, sir.
there. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So I'm going to connect with this level 2. Now here, let me place the floor also at the bottom. So I'll go with this pick wall option. And if I need to provide any offset, so that I can also provide any offset. And then finish. That is created. And now I will place the stair. Okay. And here we have all these kind of run, like a straight run and a full spiral and center end spiral. And we have L shape and we have U shape. Okay. So in this option bar, you can see before placing, you can define what will be the location line. And if you want to provide any offset from that location line, that you can provide. And what will be the run width, you can mention it here also. And you can go to its edit type, and there you can mention what will be the minimum run width. Cannot go below that value. And here also you have that minimum tread depth. You cannot go below this value. You can give the bigger values than this, but you cannot go below than this. And you have this maximum riser height. This is going to be the maximum riser height. Okay, you cannot go further than this value. You can provide a lower value than this riser value. And this is the run type currently for this type of stair. Here we have this much of stair for this assembled stair. And here we have this cast in place, precast stair. So go for this cast in place, as because we generally do it, we cast in place, construct in place. And we have this monolithic stair. And here you can see right now this is the run type. And right now you can see this is the maximum riser height and this is the minimum tread depth for this. So you can change any values. The tread depth here I will provide 250, that is going to be the minimum. And minimum run width, here you can provide for your project, you can define the minimum run width like 2000, like that. You can mention 3000. I will mention 3000. It's going to be the minimum run width for my residential building. And the landing type is mentioned here, 300 mm thickness. there you can mention the same value, 150 mm. Okay, come to this, and here you have the option. Here you can change it, and you can provide the material from here and click on OK. And you back again to your stair type properties, and you have this construction and landing type. So you have to click here so that you can come to this uh, landing. Okay, so here you can see this is all these properties are for landing, and this is the thickness. So 300 thickness is there, to 20 thickness is there. So as because I'm changing it here, so I should duplicate it. Otherwise, the original one will be duplicated. So that I shouldn't go for it. I should duplicate it. And here I have to mention 150 and click on OK. Here, let me mention the same thing. Click on OK. And now I will change the value. Click on OK. And here you can see that right now 150 thickness is selected, the type. Okay. And what will be the function? Here you can mention what will be the function. And now we have all these options for providing supports, right support, left support, middle support. Okay. So now without these support, I will create, and then after creating it, we will provide the support. So click on OK. Now here you can see this is the run width here, and the base level is going to be level 1, and the top level is level 2. So here you can see that the desired stair height is going to be 4000 as per these level height. Okay. So here you have to mention the desired number of risers. As per the desired number of risers, you will get the riser height. Okay, so it will be divided within this desired stair height. So here if I mention 5 25, so my riser height is going to be 160 and the tread depth is 250. If you want to give bigger value for this tread depth, that you can mention also. Let me go for 275. Okay. And trade riser start number 1, that is absolutely fine. Now let me place with run center, and here you can see that, so this location, the point which I've mentioned, that is the center of your stair. You can change it to left, and here you can see this is the left, and accordingly your stair will be placed. You can choose it right, so your stair will be placed towards the left from that point, and you can change it to exterior support right and exterior support left. So right now we don't have any support, so you will get that same result when you select this run right. You will get that same result with this option. And here you can provide any offset. So here you can see from that point it is placed towards this right, as because this location line is right towards so that is going to be the right, and from that it's going to be placed towards left, because this side is the right of the stair. Okay. Okay, so this way we can place it. provide 0, and here it is placed. Okay. If you want to provide that offset, you can provide that offset. So here you can see this is 4000. Now if I provide the offset like 1000, as because my run width is 3000, and here you can see that this is placed properly, right?
Yes.
And how many risers I have defined? 25, right? So here you can see that how many risers are created and how many risers are remaining. It's showing that.
Yes.
So it's a very intelligent software. It will show you that how many risers you are creating and how many risers are remaining. So let me create like 13 risers. Okay. And after that, here this automatic landing option is checked. So if I create another riser, okay, so here you can see that this risers is going to be created, all right, but here also the same offset value is mentioned, so I'll not go with that that much of offset, so I'll provide just 100 as offset, and here you can see that I have provided this 100 offset, and the remaining risers, 12 risers are created, and that is completed. Okay, and after that, if you need to align to this edge, so you can just go with this align, or AL is the shortcut. Select it, select that edge with which you will align, select that first, and then select the final one, and it is aligned. You can lock it, you can make it constant, so that if you change the wall, this stair will remain constant with this wall, and it will be changed also. So right now the constant is not needed or not necessary right now, and this way we can create this uh, stair. Okay, and here we have this railing option for this stair. Go for this, and here you can mention what will be the railing type, like this, and where it will be placed. The position is tread. You can place it stringer also if you have provided any right support or left support. On those supports, the railing will be placed, and those supports are stringer, so you can place on stringers as well. So let me click on OK. Right now that is fine, and if you want to change the direction, so it is created from here, this is the up direction. You can make this as up direction, so for that you have this flip option, and this is flipped, and here you can see this is the one. From here it is started, all right, and here it is 25. You can see it's changed. You can go for flip, all right, and here we have this connected levels option. So for that we need to go to any elevation, and we can mention any level there. So right now let me finish it. So this one is created. Let me select that stair, go for wireframe, and I will select this stair, and here we have this select levels, so we can place multiple level. I think I need to create more levels, so let me just create some more levels. Let me go with 4000. I will go with the same height. You can define your level height. Let me just quickly create some more levels. All right, and now let me select this stair, and then go for select levels, and now we can select levels, And if I don't select this, it will not be connected to this level. So let me go for finish. And now you can see all these stairs are placed. So I don't have to create all these stairs. And you can check it in 3D view.
There is a single big one, so it's form.
Yes, this one is created. Now let me go for it again. Connect levels. So I will select this, and here you can check. Okay, like this it is created. Another one you can create. Go to north, and like this you can create. Go for connect or disconnect. If you want to remove, so choose disconnect. Let's go for connect. Let me select this and this way. Go for connected levels, select it, and go for finish. And if you choose that, so it will, if you choose these two level at once, you can see right now it's connecting like this. Okay, so it's connecting like this. So make sure you go for connected levels. You selected once, finish it, and again go for connected levels. Select the click on connected levels, select the level, and then finish it. Okay, like that. Now let me create the floors, and for that I will go to level 2 here, and okay, so I need to create the ceiling at level 1. So go for ceiling, and here you can see that the automatic ceiling is about to create. There are identical instances in the same place. I think I have already created. Let me check. Okay, yes.
Sir, I have a question, sir. When
Yes.
when you connect to the other levels,
Mhm.
we can't join these railings because railings are not joined. They are all
No,
separate.
this shouldn't be joined. Let me show you why not. Okay.
Oh,
Like here you can see that it will come till here, and again from this level, or this from this floor, this stair is started
so
like this.
in my case, I've done a dog leg staircase. That's why I'm asking.
Okay. Okay. Uh, Let me just provide this 4,000. So you have created the dogleg stairs, which is the continuous, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
But the railings are not joined.
Okay. So you just check that there must be a break. So you need to make it continuous. Just check that. Okay. At the end of our class, I will see it and I will fix it.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Uh, so now we have our ceiling, and at level 2, I will create our floor. So let's go to level 2, and I will create our floor. Go for floor, and let me pick this line. All right. Go for attach. And here you can see this is created. And for this ceiling, 57, I need to minus it. Uh, or else I can give it height offset for this, or else I can provide this as till here. So uh, it is going to be 57 and 150 more. Okay, so 207 will be minus 207. Okay, and you can check it in wireframe, and here it is placed exactly at the bottom of our floor. Let's go with the realistic. Uh, Now what I'll do, I will select all these. I will hold shift and deselect this floor. I don't need that floor. And I think I most probably have created another ceiling. So I have to delete that ceiling. Now let me just go with the wireframe. Let me deselect this ceiling. Everything is selected right now. So with this, I will copy it and then go for paste, and I will align to selected levels. I will select all these level. I will select this level 2, and while selecting this level 6, I will hold shift and click. So all together will be selected within a single click. Click on OK, and these are placed. You can see these walls are placed. And now let me go to wireframe and let me select this ceiling which is not needed. Okay, I have overlapped, and this ceiling is created. So here also we have all these ceilings. That is fine. Now you can see that if I hide it, let me hide this also. I think I need to delete this. I think I have copied all those. Let me go for wireframe. Yeah, I have. Let me select these and let me delete. Okay, HR to bring back all the hidden objects. And now you can see that I have placed all these stairs. I have placed all these stairs, but there is no opening in the floors, right? There are no openings. Let me show you. HH, HH, And here you can see there are no opening for these stairs. Correct. So how I can create opening for all the floors, not for a single floor, for all the floors. So one thing I could do, that is, while creating this floor and ceiling, I could go for edit boundary, or while creating it, I could draw that here, and it will cut that area. It will cut that area. Okay, to create that opening. I could do that. And again, I had to do it for the ceiling as well. Okay, but this is not the right procedure, because here I have to do it manual work for all the elements. So it will waste my time only. Okay, so how can I do it for all the floors and ceilings at once? So for that, I have this shaft opening. This will create a vertical opening for all my stairs, and uh, you you lift, if you are providing any lift. So for that, you need to provide this shaft opening, okay, which will cut the roof, the floors, the ceiling, this kind of element. For this kind of element only, it will create a cut. It will not affect your stairs or your walls. Okay, here you will see. Let me go for it. This pick line option. Let me select this as pick line. Let me select this as pick line. Let me select this as pick line. Let me select this and select this. And now let me select till here. Okay. And now let me go for trim. I will trim it, trim, trim, and these are all trimmed. Now let me just trim this, and this is going to be the opening. And now let me go for finish, edit. And for this, you need to provide the base constant, that is level 1, but it will not cut the bottom floor, right? So for that, you have to provide the offset as 150, or you can give the bigger value, and the top constant you can connect till level 6. Okay, and if you want to provide any top offset related to that, you can provide the top offset as well. So let me show you how it will create that cut. And here you can see that it creates cut till here. Okay, all right. Now to these side of these railings, I don't need, right? So what I can do, I can select these railings and I can delete it simply. Now let me hide all these walls so that you can see it. HH is the shortcut, and all these stairs are created, and these are the opening which I have created. Okay. And here also you need to provide the railing. And here you can see that this is not this. We have that shaft opening. Okay. So you need to select that shaft opening. So yeah, this is the shaft opening. And here you can see that is being started from here, and if you place it till here, it will start creating that cut here. Okay, cut that bottom floor. So make sure you don't provide. All right. And here we go with the 0. All right. So the floor is placed uh, at level 1, and the top surface of this floor is placed on level 1. Okay, so this is how I can place it. Now I can place the railing. So for that I have this sketch path option available. Okay, so for that, if I want to provide, okay, like this railing I want to provide here, and the railings I can provide also here. But for that I need to change that base level again. I need to change this base level. So I will provide it again. And now this railing is selected, and go for pick new host. And this is going to be the host, and accordingly it will connect. Here you can see, right? So if you create also like this, till here, and then you finish it, and then you have to go for pick new host. This is the host, and this is again connected as per the host. Okay, and after that you can provide any offset from this path. So the path is uh, is placed at the border of this stair, or or at the edge of this stair. So you need to place the railing with a distance. So provide that distance offset from path. Let's provide it 50, and it's going to be -50, and here it is placed. So you need to provide these values for this also, and here the value is okay, like this. All right. And now again, if you need to sketch, so then you will sketching it level 2. All right. So let's go for it. You can go to level 2, and there you can sketch it. Go to level 2. Okay. And then you can provide offset. I will not copy it, just provide offset, and this will be placed at here. Let me go for finish. And there you can see this railing is created. Okay. And then you can go for paste and you can copy it. Okay. So like that, you can create it. All right. Now let me show you that how you can create some stairs as per your design. So for that, let me go to level 1, and here we have the stair. So other stairs are very easy to create. I request you guys, please try this out. Okay. So I'm going to show you this create sketch option. And for creating sketch, we have the boundary, we have the riser, and we have stair path. Okay. So before creating the sketch, let me show you for this stair. Okay. These are right now connected. All these are right now connected. These are right now multi-story stairs. You can see these are right now multi-story stairs. Okay, so let me show you with this create sketch option. All right, and here we have this boundary. So boundary will define the run width. Okay, so here you can see this is the boundary. This is, and this line is the boundary, and your boundary should always be open. It cannot be closed. Let me show you that how it is created. This simple line I'm going to create, and then I can go with this tangent and arc like this, and then go for line. Let me go to here. Okay, how much is the distance? This is the distance. Okay, let me select this. These all are temporary dimension. Okay, you can just drag it till here. So here you get this dimension. So let me make it 4000. Here you can see it is changed. Okay. And now let me place another. So I will go with this pick line option. So here I can provide with equation like 2000 minus 50. So here also I can provide these values, and here let me provide this. Okay. So make sure you have press escape. If it is selected, so it will start creating again. So I don't need to create it. So make sure you press escape. And how much is the length for this? 3600 is the length. So for this also, I'll make it 3600. Now let me just move it till here. Yeah. All right. Now you need to create with riser. So I just have created. I need to check. Okay. So go for this riser right now. And I don't think to create the 23 number of risers, I can provide it till here. So let me just provide it from here, and I'll choose the pick line, and there I will provide the offset 275. Just undo it and again go for it. All right. Now let me create the angular. Okay. So I'll go with this 275, and then I will go for this rotate. I'll select it, enter, and this point, this base point or the center of rotation will be placed here. So how I have done it, I have clicked on that center of rotation point and I have dragged it and release the mouse. So this is the center of rotation, and then here you have to define the initial angle. So this direction is the initial direction. From here your uh, angle value will be calculated. So just provide the angle. So let me provide 10. Okay. And again go for this riser pick line option, and then provide the offset value 275, and here it is created. And now again go for this rotate, select it, enter, then drag this point here, and this is the initial direction. So from here you need to provide that angle. Okay, so I'll go with 20, increment of 10. Let me select with this pick line again, 275. So make sure this boundary is not selected. Make sure the riser is selected. So I have done this mistake. I have to go with this riser. Let me draw on this, and I will delete this boundary. Okay, go for this riser. Then the offset value 275. Okay, and now let me select this rotate option, select it, enter, and this is going to be placed here. This is the direction, and then go for 30-degree. Okay. So next riser, and go for rotate, niche selection, drag this point here. This is the initial direction and place it till here. Okay, and trim this parts. So for that we have this trim extend multiple element. Can go for it together. Right. So these are all trimmed. I have to provide this boundary here. Go for this tangent and arc. Okay, and I need to move it, and now I'll trim this. So for this I will choose this trim extend multiple elements. Let me place it like this. Okay, and then again go for riser, this one, and then I will create number of more number of risers. Go for offset 275. All right, and I will trim this. So go for it. And after that, you have to connect your stair path. So from it, we will connect this stair path. Let me just draw it from the middle. And for this, I will go with this stair. And it will snap around and select it, drag it till here. And this is the stair path. Okay. Then go for finish. And this stair is created. So again, go for edit sketch. 23 risers created, 0 remaining. Okay, everything is fine. Let go for finish. And for this railing, if you need to provide any particular railing type like glass panel, you can select that and then go for finish. All right. And here you can see everything is fine. If you need to change anything, you can change it from here, and that is created. And it's saying that the rail is not continuous, it's breaking, so we will fix it. So let me select the railing. Yeah, so the railing is selected. Now I'll go for edit path and I will check, like here you can see it is broken. I will connect these and I will check others. Okay, so everything is fine now. Let me go for, and this is the railing. Okay, and now let's go for 3D. So what I can do, for, go for this stair. Okay, select this stair, and if you only want to see this stair, all right. So then select this stair, and we have this selection box. Okay, so it will create a section box around this object, and other objects will not be visible because we have removed those through the section box. So BX is the shortcut, or else you can click on this icon. BX is the shortcut, and it will open the 3D view. And here you can see this is the stair which you have created. All right, you can design your own stairs like this. Fine.
Okay, sir.
All right. And you know how to create a stair, sorry, how to create railings. You can just go for this sketch path and you can pick on it, and you can go for place on stair or ramp. So how can you do that? So suppose you have deleted these railing, this railing. So you decided that you need to place on this side and you want to remove on this side. So just delete the both, because it will place on both side, and where it will be placed on threads. So just select this stair, and here you just need to define the type. All right, let me go with this type, and now let me click on it, and here you can see, and we are getting that same error. Just we need to select an edit path, and here you can see this is broken into two pieces. I'll just connect it, and that is there. Okay, so here I'm having this error. So that's why I think these two, yeah. So from here I have this straight, and here I have this uh, curve, right? So for this curve, it will be attached like this way, and for this stair, it will be attached like this. So for that, I think I should provide these in two piece. And it was right, I think. Okay, so that is happening only for that type. So In next class, we will know about the railing structure. We have all these railing structures and all. So in the next class, we will know about how to create our own railing. Okay, with our own design, how we can create our own railing and we can place it. Okay, and we have this ramp option. So this ramp option also I will show you in the next class. So today I'm going to end it here. All right.
Sir,
Yes.
at that curve section, there is a railing height which is reduced. Yes, sir. Railing height. Here.
Right. Yeah,
It is
right.
it is not similar to that. How can we fix it?
So for that, what you have to do, you have to make it in two piece. Okay. So you have to draw it in two pieces. So let me go for edit path here. I have this in one single piece. Okay. So what I'll do, I will delete this, delete, and I will delete this. So right now I have this one. Okay. And then again, I will go for this railing sketch path. And here, let me check if I get that, get those points. Okay, so right now I'm not getting these points. Just a second, let me get back all these lines. And what I'll do, I will create one. Okay, so this not able to create any line over there. So just a second. Uh, Let me finish with this. This is placed at level 1. So I'll go to level 1 here. Let me just delete all these. Let me finish it here. And I will go for this sketch path. So I will choose this option to here. I'll create it and I'll pick new host. This stair is the new host. Click on finish edit mode. Go to 3D and there you can see we're getting that height. Okay, so this way we have to create.
Okay, sir.
And here, if you want to change anything, so go for edit path. And here you can break it. So you can go for split, can provide a break and finish it. You will get this. Okay. But if you make it break, you will not get this continuous joint. So that will be the problem only. And for this, I have to provide that same offset value. Okay. So the same offset value just provided. And this is going to be the minus. Okay. So that is connected, but you will not get the smooth joint. That will happen only Nothing to worry about. No, when you will cast it at the site, you will fix this problem by welding it. And again, you can go for level 1, and there you can again go for sketch path and pick this new host, and offset from path you can provide 25.4. That same value you can provide, and again you can check it in 3D. So go for pick new host, click here, uh, okay, so this is going to be the minus. Now it's fine. Yes, because of that offset, it's going out of that stair, so it cannot connect to that host. So the bottom cannot connect to the host, so that's why we are facing that problem. All right, just a minute. This is going to be the minus, and here you can change this. Okay, so can go to its edit type, and here we have this height of this railing. Okay, so you can change this. So in the next class we will know about how to change the structure of a railing. Okay, and here if I go to edit path, and if I add, let me go to level 1. So from here I can add it. And go to 3D, and there you can see. So this is right. Okay, so I can do it. I can do it like this. Go for edit path, and let me try this out also. From here to here. Everything is fine, and because of this section box, we're getting this cut. And as because of this continuous line, we are getting the smaller height here. So that will be changed. Let me just have it till here. Okay, and from here we will place the railing height. Okay, from here we will place another path. Let me go to edit path, architecture, sketch path. Okay, and so minus. Now let me go to 3D, and we need to pick this host. So I'm getting that error. Let me go to level 1 again, and let me go for edit path here. So for this, let me split it here. Okay, and split it here also. And now let me see it. Okay. And as because I have a different height for this, so I need to make it into two different. So I'll delete just this, click on finish, and I'll match this one. Okay, match this one with this, and then I'll create another. Okay, or else let me delete that. Go to level 1 here, go for edit path, and just you can add it till here. This is the new host, and place it like that. Okay, so this way you can edit and place it. Okay, I hope you can understand, and accordingly you can create what is the requirement. You can fulfill it like that. You can either make it a continuous path, or you can break into two or more railings. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so this is all for today.